Hi, it's Susan Kibler from Delivering Dreams. I just got on the flight today. I am on United. I'm going through Frankfurt. I like Munich better, but the time there is often very short. And last time I was the last person on the plane. So I have 2 hours and 40 minutes to change planes. From there I'm going to Krakow. And then Andre, my driver, is meeting me to go into Ukraine. So this flight is 7 hours, I think, and 30 minutes. And then from Frankfurt should be about 2. I'll update you from there. I'm flying United. It's always like United or Lufthansa. And remember, I'm flying out of New Jersey, so Newark Airport. I booked a flight. I booked way in the back in the hope that I'll have a seat next to me. So crossing my fingers there. So I'll see you all on the other side of the pond. Bye. So I just arrived in Krakow. We are at the baggage claim. Let's see, Frankfurt, number 4. Welcome to Krakow. You guys see it? It's a really small airport. And because it's small, it tends to be fairly fast. Very cute. So, I'm hoping they'll come right out of here and we'll be ready to go. And exit right out there and meet my driver. So, I'm going to try to take a video going out.
Working from home.
So I apologized. I don't have my stabilizer, so it's going to be all bouncy and funny. But so you can see the airport. So far, it's a really beautiful airport. The only funky thing that happened to me is I went into the men's room, which I didn't notice at all, but a gentleman did inform me of that fact. So I'm arriving 12:30 Polish time. We're 1 hour behind Ukraine. And my driver was meeting me at the 3rd line. But he's looking for me. I always send a picture. Oh, sorry, there's bumpies on the road. All right, 3rd line. So here's one. See, pretty modern airport. Hope I shouldn't stand in the middle of the walkway. Okay. Here's 2 taxis. And here's 3. Oh, this is so delicate. Everyone's thinking I'm crazy. So I'm looking crazy just for your benefit, guys. All right, switching. So they give me their license plate and color information. So I'm going to check that out and then I'll check back with you. So this is my car. So it's going to be taking me from Krakow over to Lviv. It's $330 and I'll check the timing exactly. All right, I'm on my way. So this section is passport control. And I gave Andre my passport. He'll go out and take a look. So this is the Polish passport control. There are several borders, and this is not the usual one I go to, but they all talk to each other, the drivers, so you know which one has the least cars. So we'll go through there, show our passports, go through customs, which is just a formality, and keep going to the other side, which is Ukraine. Yay! It took us 3 hours to get here, but we stopped for dinner. Look at this. Welcome to Ukraine. And it took us less than 15 minutes to go through passport control, Polish side, customs, Polish side, passport control,